Did you know that Pictory can create high-quality YouTube videos in under 5 minutes without requiring you to show your face or use your voice? If you didn't already, you do now. Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we'll go over Pictory, explaining its features and providing honest feedback. Later in the video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on creating a full YouTube video from scratch in under 5 minutes. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community posts. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Pictory is an online video editing application that allows you to quickly and easily make high-quality videos. They can feature text or not, and AI voices or your voiceover can be used. To make a video, you'll need to know 4 basic techniques. You can have a video conversation about an article using a URL, such as a blog, URL, or press release. You're doing script to video when you take some text and turn it into a video. Pictory has become popular among many users because it offers a script to video option. You can utilize existing images or video clips from your collection to make a video using visuals to video. Finally, Pictory allows you to modify videos with voice using text. You can use this to automatically add subtitles or captions to a video you've already made. Pictory can also be used as an editor, letting you do things like cut out parts, highlight parts, and make intros, logos, and outros. When it comes to audio, Pictory offers a variety of possibilities. By heading to audio, you can add background music. Pictory has built-in background music that may be played by pressing the play button. Then apply it to the video as a whole, not just to the scene. You can save it as a favorite to use later if you like. The mood can be changed depending on the type of video, the goal, the genre, and the runtime. The music tracks stored there can be sorted. Pictory's AI voices can also be used, so they now offer voiceovers in different kinds of English, such as US English, UK English, Australian English, Indian English, New Zealand English, and South African English. Pictory is constantly adding new voices. One can listen to a preview of the voice, slow it down, or speed it up. You can then apply it to the entire video and designate something as your favorite. If no voiceovers appeal to you, you can record your own, upload it, and it will be synchronized with the video. Pictory does a fantastic job with synchronization. That's a great way of putting it. You can't modify synchronization if you want to. Today, we'll only look at the script-to-video option, which most YouTube content creators use. The name alone gives you an idea of what the script-to-video option is all about. When you submit a script, Pictory will look for relevant images and videos that you can use in your video, which will be made in seconds. Pictory's images and videos are sourced from Storyblocks. You must pay $30 monthly if you use Storyblocks separately. It's pointless to use Storyblocks when Pictory is already a better deal. Other websites, such as Pexels, offer free stock footage, but the images and videos are of poor quality. Overall, Pictory is the best script-to-video marker because it incorporates Storyblocks. So, let us walk you through a quick Pictory tutorial. This will necessitate the use of a script. We'll use a short script to show you an example. You can write your script, hire a freelancer to write one for you, or ask ChatGPT to write one for you. For this tutorial, we'll use ChatGPT to create one. The script's title is How to Have Clear Skin. So we'll go to ChatGPT and type and write a detailed YouTube script on how to achieve clear skin. In just a few seconds, our script has already been generated. All you have to do now is copy and paste it into a new Word document. The next step is to ensure that your script is flawless. To do so, we must separate the chunks into single sentences. Since the script is mostly written in paragraphs, we must ensure that a blank line space separates each sentence. This prevents the video from having too much text in one scene. After you've separated each section of the script, the next step is to make the video, which requires us to copy the text from the script. The next step is to go to Pictory, and your home page will look similar to what you see on the screen. When you arrive at this page, click on Script to Video and enter your copied script. Keep your title separate from the script. You should write the title at the top. After that, a few more details are needed before generating the video. First, go to Scene Settings and change the Create New Scene option to Line Breaks to ensure that the scene changes after each line break. Then we'll click Proceed, and the next page will direct us to select a template. Pictory's advantage is that it has many templates to choose from. There is something for everyone. Corporate and Subtitle Italics are our 2 favorite templates. For this tutorial, we'll select Corporate, so click Select. After clicking Select, you will be prompted to choose an aspect ratio. 3 aspect ratios are available: 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok, and 1:1 for tablets. We'll select 16:9 because we will upload our video to YouTube. Select 16:9 and then click Continue. Pictory will then start creating the video for you. It scans the text and then looks for relevant images and videos related to the text. Story blocks provided the videos and images. Our video has been created in just a few minutes, and a new page looking like this will load up. The generated video is displayed on the right side of the screen, while the YouTube script is on the left. All you have to do here is double-check that everything is correct. You have the option of editing the text if you spelt something incorrectly. You can also unlink and link scenes by clicking the link icon in the top right corner of each section of the script. You can also change the visual if it does not perfectly match what is written in the script. To change the visual, click on the scene you want to change, then move your mouse pointer to the left corner of the screen and click on Visuals. You can see the visual options from this point. You can even look for a visual by searching. If, for example, you want to change a scene where a person wets their face, you can type in washing face, and Pictory will provide you with a wide range of stock footage of people washing their faces. All you have to do now is choose a scene that corresponds to what is written in the script. You'll notice a watermark on the scenes, but don't worry, the watermark will be removed once the video is generated. Before generating the video, you should go through each scene to ensure that the scene used corresponds to what is said in the script. If you find one that does not match, the procedure for changing them remains the same. Search for the scene to be replaced in the script using the main keyword. After ensuring everything is right with the visuals, the next step is editing the audio. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Audio is the most important aspect of the video. You can use whatever music you want as your background. To choose a piece of music, move your mouse pointer to the left side of your screen and click Audio. They have over 15,000 tracks. You can search through your music and even change the mood. To change the mood, click on the drop-down menu and you will see a variety of moods available. Because our video is about skincare, we'll select the gentle mood and click Apply. Pictory will then load and filter all of the gentle music for you. You can preview and listen to music before selecting it by clicking on the play icon. When you've found some music you like, click the Apply button. You can also save it as a favorite by clicking on the love icon, allowing you to use the audio later. After you've chosen your music, you'll need to adjust the volume to match the video. To do so, go to Audio Settings and then drag the volume down to 3% or 4%. This allows the audience to focus on the voiceover without being distracted by background music. After finishing the visuals and audio, we'll add voiceover to our video. Pictory also provides text-to-speech voiceover services. To access them, go to Voiceover, and you'll see a list of different voices you can use. The only issue here is that the voiceover could be of better quality. Create the voiceover in a separate program and then upload and link it to the video. Descript is a great text-to-speech program that we highly recommend. It has very good voices that most of you will like. To get started, click the link in the description. Following the sign-up process, there is a brief survey to determine how the platform will be used. Descript can learn the user's voice and generate speech that sounds like you, but will only use already available voices in this video. After you've created an account, your main page will look like this. On the main page, click the New Project button in the upper right corner. After that, you must enter the title and then the contents. ChatGPT has already made our script, so we need to paste in the content and click on the Unknown Speaker section. A new page will load and you must click the Add Speaker button. All you have to do from here is select an available voice under Overdub Voice and enter a name in the speaker name. After returning to the main area, select the voice once more. The system will then start generating audio in the audio track. This may take some time, so you must wait for the system to complete the task. Place your cursor at the start of the content and press the play button. The system will then begin to play the synthesized speech. It may not sound natural at first, but it will sound better when converted to audio later. At this point, the user can double-check that the words are spelled correctly. If necessary, use commas to make it sound more professional. The user can also control the playback speed by pressing the dial button at the top of the screen. If everything is in order, move the cursor over one of the synthesized sentence speeches and click on the option to convert to audio. This converts it to audio, which sounds better than the synthesized stage. After converting each unit, its color changes to white and editing speech content becomes less convenient. Once the audio has been converted, the system lets the user change it. One of the most common changes is to add a pause. To insert a pause, place the cursor at the end of a sentence where you want it. Then carefully place the cursor in the audio track and right-click, then select Insert Silence, and a gray color block will be inserted. How do you get the audio once it's been generated? Find the Share button at the upper right corner and select the Publish menu. Choose Audiogram, then use the arrow buttons to select the format you want to try and the settings displayed on your screen. The system will then direct you to a cloud page that you can share. Now that our voiceover has been created, all that remains is to upload it to Pictory and link it to the generated video. To upload the voiceover in Pictory, move your mouse pointer to the left side of your screen, then click on Audio, then click on the option My Uploads, then click on the Pictory icon to select the audio. After you've uploaded it, you'll be asked to choose between current scene and entire video. Because we're uploading the voiceover for the entire video, I'll select entire video. It will immediately begin synchronizing the voiceover with the video. Once the voiceover is in sync with the video, you should watch the video first and then change the scenes yourself if there are any problems with the voiceover and visuals. One problem you might run into is that the next scene starts before the voiceover for the last scene is done. You can fix this by moving the scene to a more respectful position. But, as I said before, Pictory does a great job of syncing, so I'm wondering if you'll have any problems. Once you've adjusted the problematic scenes and everything is in order, click Close. Setting the style is another thing you can do from here. Suppose you want to create an intro or outro. Select Styles from the menu. There is also the option of branding, where you can add your brand logo and change its position, among other things. Another thing we should have mentioned is that you can still edit the script by using the video on the right side. Its size, background color, highlight color, text shadow, text position, and many other settings are all customizable. If you change the text in one scene, there's no need to waste time changing it in another. Click Apply to All to apply the change to all the other scenes. All that remains is to download the video, but before we do so, let's look at the format in which the video is generated. To do so, move your mouse to the left side of the screen and select Format. From here, you can see that we can generate the video in two resolutions, 720p and 1080p. We'll go with 1080p because we want a high-quality video. All that remains is downloading the video. To do so, click Generate and select Video. Your video will begin to be generated immediately. Once it has been made, all you have to do is download it to your computer. Now we'll play the generated video to see how it looks. We'd love to hear what you think about this. Did you like how the generated video turned out? If so, click the link in the description to start making videos immediately with just a few clicks. Comment below and let us know what you think of Pictory. We love hearing from you. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you the secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know how to make text-to-video AI YouTube videos using Pictory. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing top 5 free text-to-speech software for Android phones 2023. Watch the video on your screen if you really want a top 5 free text-to-speech software for Android phones 2023. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.